The Typewriter, Chapter 1. They found a typewriter next to the woman's nude body. She was lying prone, face down, half in and half out of the bathtub. Her bulbous ass was up in the air, resting on the rim of the tub. Her head was submerged near the drain, just below the water level. Her long black hair seemed to plug the drain, sucked into the whirlpool, causing a mere trickle down, leaving the bloody water to coat the sides of the bathtub as it had slowly drained. The old typewriter was a Smith Brothers classic from 1916. It wasn't worth much, but it had a stellar history, family things. My mother had written several books on that typewriter, and this young woman that had bought our old house didn't even know that the old typewriter was stored up in the attic. And frankly, we had all forgotten about it. I had forgotten about it. Kind of a mistake when you think about it. But somebody didn't forget about it. Whoever had committed the murder had attempted to flee with the ribbon on the typewriter, removing the ribbon for an old typewriter. Why? What? Why would anybody do that? And then it seems they were interrupted by someone, and we don't know who. There are a lot of things that don't make sense in this story. So it's a mystery. But the perpetrator, the fucking murderer, who left a woman draped on the edge of a bathtub with her head underwater and her black hair getting sucked down the drain. The murderer had dropped the ribbon, but he apparently had hold of one end of it. And the ribbon was strung out through the hall, out the back door, and across the grassy yard, into the pine forest that led to the hills out back. What was on that old typewriter ribbon that was worth killing for? The typewriter had been stored in the attic for over 50 years, since just after my mother went missing in Baton Rouge.